guys, what's up? It's me, Amanda. Today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day for you guys, which is one of my favorite videos because I get to, cook, and that's like one of my favorite things, and I get to show you guys what I eat on an ideal day. And I say that because some days, I kid you not, I just like eat Cliff Bars and like pre-made smoothies, and I kind of just go and I try to function in that day with just that. Some of these meals might not be elaborate, but I just wanted to say that anyways. That's enough chatter for now. Let's get in with this video because you guys are here for the food. Alright, so I am gonna shoot this vlog style. I hope you guys like that. I want to have a productive day and eat good food, so hopefully that is what I filmed today on this camera. Oh my god, it is 1 p.m. I've been doing so many things this morning. I just like have not had time to like actually eat food, and I'm starving. So let's move to the kitchen. And then a little bit of oat milk. Sometimes I drink my coffee black, but sometimes I'm not as badass. Yes. And then mixy mix. Bomb. Definitely like starting my day with coffee. It just tastes so good. I've been trying a new coffee out, and this one actually has shrooms in it. Yeah, your girl's been on shrooms. But this one's by Four Sigmatic. They were super nice enough to send me a ton of their different mushroom drinks that they sell. I have never thought about drinking mushrooms, but then I looked more into it, and then mushrooms have been shown to have so many benefits to our bodies. So it's really good to sustain your energy levels and help with your productivity. Like now, I'm trying to have a productive day, so I'm starting my day off with shrooms. If you guys want to look more into it, want to drink shrooms for yourself possibly, you can click the link in the description. You can get 15% off your first order. This is my shelf. It's LaCroix and tahini. And my mom came last weekend, so there is a ton of beer. Yeah, my fridge is basically beer, LaCroix, and tahini. So I'm going to have to go to Trader Joe's today or some other grocery store and like get groceries because your girl is running low. I'm gonna look in my freezer and hopefully there is some sort of breakfast. Okay, so I looked through my freezer and I found some frozen bananas, frozen cherries, and an acai pack, which means we're making an acai bowl. I don't know if I've shown my cabinet on YouTube before, but this is how I kind of organize my stuff. Cacao nibs are super healthy. I'm gonna put this as a topping. Coconut is so good on acai bowls. I'm like such a big fan of seeds. Chia seeds, huge fan, obviously. Also get some hemp seeds too. If I'm doing an acai bowl, if you add a bit of cacao powder, it makes your acai taste stronger and intense. So I'm gonna definitely add some cacao powder in that. All right, cool. Let's start blending. Next step would be to taste it to see if it's sweet enough. If it's not, you can add agave or any other sweetener. That's so good. That's perfect. I recommend blending everything together and then adding sweetener after because fruit has natural sugars, so it could be sweet enough already without adding any agave. Now that it's ready to go, we can start forming it and making it look pretty. So good. Alright guys, I am switching to the vlogging camera because I am bringing you guys with me. It's so hot in here. Ain't she beautiful? Oh hell yeah, baby. Such a good haul. Now I have food and I can't wait to have lunch. Alright, quick haul. I got some peaches, baby spinach, brown rice, organic rice cakes, multi-grain pita bite crackers, some bananas, cruciferous crunch collection. It's just salad mix. 3 cans of garbanzo beans because I want to make hummus and I thrive on garbanzo beans. They're one of the only beans that doesn't make me bloat and fart a lot, so I like them. Dolmas, they are the bomb diggity. Some organic mushrooms, almond dip. I actually tried this in a taste test. It is so bomb, I had to get it again. Some sugar plum tomatoes, baby carrots, a bell pepper, Mideast style feast, and it just looks super bomb, and it's vegan, I think. All right, and to go with my Mideast style feast, I'm gonna go ahead and make a drink. I'm probably gonna include Four Sigmatic a bit throughout this video. Since they sent me a few of their drinks, I do want to try them out. So this is their mushroom lemonade mix, and I'm actually really excited to try this because it has charcoal and chaga in it. So it claims to support digestion and to also help your skin so you glow from the inside out. I feel like it's gonna look real cool. It is so black. Wow. Oh my gosh. I've never had anything like this. I'm so excited. Moment of truth. Ooh, that tastes good. It just tastes like lemonade. This has a lot of stuff in it. I'm actually so hyped. I think I'm also gonna make a salad just so there's more to like eat than, you know, all this. I feel like I need to have more greens. So I just wanna try one of the dolmas because they look so good. And this is my favorite thing ever. It's so bomb. If you're not eating grape leaves, you're doing life wrong. That's all I gotta say. Ew. Highly recommend this. It's so good. I like to clean my kitchen after I'm done eating. This is my time to like relax, you know, be sane, and just enjoy my time. Okay guys, it is finally the end of the day. It's around 8 or 8:30, so it's kind of late. That lunch really filled me up. I kept on eating out of that container and I kind of had to stop myself because I was almost done with the entire thing, and it has 5 servings. So that definitely had like a ton of protein, a ton of fat, ton of carbs that really kept me full for the rest of the day. So I really have a sweet tooth right now, so I was gonna make kind of a healthy sweet snack, and then I was gonna make a chai latte because chai sounds really good right now. Chai latte, mushroom mix. Your girl's eating shrooms again. So yeah, I'm gonna make my snack and then I will get back to you guys when I'm done making it. Oh, hello there. I got my snack right here. Thank you again, Four Sigmatic, for sending me some. You guys can check the link down below in the description. You can get 15% off your first order. It's an aesthetically pleasing website, and you can also find all of the products that I used today in my video. Sorry, my laptop takes forever. So it's super easy to navigate through, and you can also filter by a lot of the things that you're looking for. So let's say if I wanted something that was, you know, energy-based and something that could help with my productivity, I could choose any of these coffee drinks that they have, or lion's mane. The coffee is one of my favorite things to drink every day. But let's say you also wanted to find something that could enhance your beauty. The golden latte is also super good. So again, I will put that link down below in the description if you guys want to check out this website for yourself. But yeah, it's late at night, so I'm just gonna relax until I'm sleepy and have to go to bed. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see more of what I eat in a day, be sure to comment down below so I can make more for you guys. And that's about it. Thank you again for supporting me and watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh my gosh, so messy.